Hi everyone, my name is Gamal. I'm the managing director of the new established entity for ULMA Packaging in UAE. ULMA Packaging is one of the market leaders in supplying food packaging equipment. Um, this year we are showing our new tray sealing model together with the vertical bag maker. We provide and supply a wide portfolio of equipment, including the thermoformer, tray sealer, vertical bagger, and flow wrappers, alongside with the fully automated solution that covers mainly the different types of food packaging requirements in the region. Now we have our own office in Dubai, and we will expand our presence and customer base in the region. And you are welcome to visit us in hall number 1, D1, stand number 25. Thank you so much. Looking forward to meet you all.